One of the things that COVID did was it uncovered the needs of farm workers on the North Coast. So from Half Moon Bay through Montera, there had never really been any farm worker outreach.
So when COVID-19 hit, the community foundations established 7 funds to support the region. We actually provided over $12 million to close to 400 organizations. But the need was even more exacerbated, on the coast because it is so isolated.
Right away, the first community we needed to respond to were our farm workers, getting the personal protection out to them, making sure they were okay, making sure they had food, and really honoring the heroes that are out there on the front lines. So ALA started our farm worker outreach program, which is here to stay beyond COVID. And thanks to Silicon Valley Foundation, we were able to get funding to increase a staff member to be part of this, which is a dedicated person, Joaquin Jimenez.
Today, we've been delivering food to the farms, farm workers and their families. We visit the farms, picked up the food from Second Harvest Food Bank, loaded up our vehicles, and we go on to our first visit rotation, dropped off the food, and we continue to go around Half Moon Bay and the community, dropping off food for farm workers and their families.
The immigrant population that works on the coast side really has some very specific health, financial and housing needs, and educational needs, and ALAS provides that bridge into the community.
One of the things that we've seen is this fear that the community has lived in for so long of feeling alone, and as immigrants feeling othered and feeling afraid to ask for help. So we see that there's a moratorium on rent in the county, which people feel really good about. But what we're hearing from our immigrant community is that they're living in fear that they will be taken out of their homes, they will lose their housing, they will have no place to go. And so really trying to understand what are the resources that are there to protect them has been something that has been pretty shocking to us to see that it's really on us to provide that. Like, for example, we see families that don't have access to hand sanitizer yet, and we are able to go out every week and do several initiatives. We do Farm Worker Fridays, we deliver food to the farm workers.
Thank you so much.
We also provide Wi-Fi hotspots for families that have children in school, so they can actually attend to their classes, in online classes.
We go out and do wellness checks on them, and now we're even increasing support for mental health. And all of that is done under our Farm Worker Outreach Program.
Belinda specifically has been a trusted messenger and leader on the coast for a long time and really understands how to make this happen. We're proud to support her work, and she needs to continue to be supported throughout the pandemic.
Every time we go out, that this is not just ALAS. We're the ones that get to bring the resources, but this is happening because of all of you, because of the donors, because of Silicon Valley Foundation. And when we go out on those front lines, we bring the spirit of the donors, we bring the spirit of philanthropy, the spirit of your mission to our work, and we are really grateful.